professional shampoo and conditioner for blonde hair. Blonde shampoo helps deeply cleanses hair of dirt and grime, and help to repair damage and reduce frizz. Blonde conditioner protects, moisturizes and conditions blonde hair. Both blonde hair products are color safe and enhance the vibrancy of blonde hair. Bedhead by TIGI Dumb Blonde Shampoo and Reconstructor Conditioner Set contains a 25.36 fluid ounces shampoo and 25.36 fluid ounces conditioner. Safety information. This product is labeled to United States standards and may differ from similar products sold elsewhere in its ingredients, labeling and allergen warnings. Directions. Work the shampoo into wet hair, rinse well. Apply the conditioner through mid-lengths and ends, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse well. Alternatively, use the conditioner as a mask and leave in 5 to 10 minutes. Top reviews from the United States. Only brand I use. Love this shampoo and conditioner. Leaves hair feeling and looking great.